So this structure was built by Fergus B. Squire, hence the name Squire's Castle, right around the time of 1890, give or take. The original plan was to build a country home on 525 acres called Country Farm Estate. What we see today was just the gatekeeper's lodge. And in the 1900s, well, Mr. Squire used to use it as his weekend retreat. Some fun times back here. I don't recall a roof. This roof is an addition. It didn't used to have one. They did add a roof. That's cool though. Well, I didn't know if I could really hike the trails, but I'm going to try. I had a few issues with the drone, since it went for a swim. Cute little itty bitty stream. There was a time I would go down in there and play in it. Yep. Ever so slightly on an uphill grade. Well, I can always roll back down. Alright, continuing to go uphill. Steeper grade. See how high I am already? Now I gotta go higher. Let's see, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Yeah, it's mo. Seriously? It doesn't stop. It just goes down. Down some more from here. I couldn't have picked a better day. It's 69 degrees. It's probably 1:30, 2 o'clock. And so temperature wise, it's amazing. A river runs through it. Yep, I see that. I'm done with uphill. It's time to go home. Well, I made it back without twisting an ankle or getting a crick in my knee. Yeah. Thank all of our viewers and subscribers, and look forward to giving you many more adventures.